Well, good morning. We're back at it out of San Domingo. Lee's out here somewhere. He got two real nice ones out here yesterday. But yeah, we're out here hunting, and it's kind of a new spot and having a lot of fun, and hoping to get a couple nuggets today again. And I'm right on a target here. Right here. It sounds kind of like a BB, but hey. Yeah, we got it out already. That's seldom a good sign. Okay. Yeah, I think I see it. Nope. Huh. Okay, is it a BB or a little piece of gold? Or a piece of trash? Yeah, I didn't feel anything heavy. And it's this right here, I bet. Yep. And it is piece of iron. Little piece of iron. Yep. First dig, trash. Yeah, them guys threw a lot of trash out, I'll tell you. Tin cans right away, and lots of little bits for us to dig. Well, we got a target here. It's down just a tad too much for me to think it absolutely is going to be a BB, so we're going to film it. This is a choya skeleton. That's what it looks like inside the cactus. Pretty cool, huh? Anyway, here's our target. It's down in there pretty good. Good chance it's still trash, but hey, we dig them all around, yeah. But it's still down in the hole, my friends. And that's always good. Because most of the lead and the BBs and all that stuff is within the first couple inches. Okay, we moved it. Right here. Okay, cross your fingers. I'm due for a nice one. That sounds pretty like a nice chunk of something. Staying in the spoon nice, and looks to me to be a piece of gold. Yes sir, right there. Look at that, huh? Right there. Nice piece of Arizona gold, shining in the sun. Yep. That was down, oh, quite a ways right here. But yeah. Nice piece. Woohoo! Now, when I say I scraped the top off, this is why. This is a faint target. You'll be able to hear it. Okay, So now we're going to scrape some of this dirt and twigs out of the way. Hope you can see here. Just see how loud we can make that target and how deep it is. Okay, now let's listen to it. So there's something shallow. We already dug it up. And I'm betting it's going to be a BB. Oh, we got a faint target here. I scraped the top off. Lee just walked back up on me here. But
I think it's a boat anchor.
He says boat anchor. Still kind of shallow. I don't like that. That could mean a BB. Yeah, that's what it's going to be. The maneuver in my machine. Where is it? God. Boy, whatever it is small. It's gone.
You didn't see the string I had leading over here?
Huh?
You didn't see the string I had leading over here with the
I think I got caught on my tip. Another piece of that screen. I've dug a few of those in here. God, I hate those things. Oh. Not the camera.
with that tree.
Gotta move the camera. Yep. Okay. Aha! There it is right there. Baby. Sounds just like a baby. Right here. Man. It's that screen wire, isn't it? It's right in here, man. Right here. I'm moving it around. We caught it. I think. Maybe not. Nope. Don't you love that? It's moved over here.
It's better you than me. I've done enough of those.
I think we got it this time. That's what I said last time. It's a piece of screen wire. Guaranteed. It's right there, man. This is that rock. Nope, it's right here. I'm going to be chasing this for a week. Oh.
Okay, there we go.
My goodness. I tell you. All that for... I've had little pieces of gold do that too, though, but not very often. Usually that means trash. You weren't digging the little stuff over here, were you?
I was just digging the big ones out here.
Huh?
I was just digging the big ones.
Because I noticed there was a couple of spots you scraped, and there was a BB there. You just didn't.
This doesn't pick them up so
You only digging the deep targets?
Only the lunkers.
Huh?
Only the lunkers.
Well, that wasn't very nice.
I'm lucky enough to have them.
I think it just rolled off my hand. Nope, I still got it. And it is a BB. Da 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 da! All that digging for that, my friends. Oh well. I'm digging so much trash in here you wouldn't even believe it. So I got a little ways down in here and still have a target. So we're gonna film this one. area is full of BBs. This one's down a little ways. Got it out of the hole. Right over here. Right in here. Got it. Sounds like I might have dug another BB though. This one's just down a little ways. I know there's more gold in there, there's gotta be. And I'm determined. And there's my BB, I think. Right here. Yep, this is another stinking BB. Well, I dug like 3 BBs right here. Right in one of Lee's digs. And the 4th BB wasn't a BB. It was a little bitty piece of gold. Right there. Look at that little bugger. Yeah, a little piece of gold. Doesn't that little thing scream? So, that's 2 for the day. Yahoo! Well, we got another one here. I've moved quite a bit of dirt off the top, and I still got a signal. After that last little one, I'm listening very carefully in here. This one's hard to get to. Still down in the hole, my friends. Yeah. Okay, there's a real good chance this is going to be a nugget. Yep. Where'd it go? I moved it. Right in here. Okay, let's see what we got in this one. I'm trying to look through the branches and everything else here. These. Oh, I like the sound of that one. That one sounds good. Yeah. In my hand. What the heck? Yeah. It's gonna be trash. Maybe not. I don't see a nugget. The heck? Really nothing left in a scoop. All right, it's one of those little bits right there. That one maybe? This one right here. Right there. Piece of gold. Okay. Right there's another piece of gold, my friends. Look at there. Nice little piece. Little bitty. That's 3 for today. Here's number 4 for the day. Another little bitty one. I think the guys that were over here working were just digging big targets, because I'm doing okay in here. Yeah, it's just a little guy. So that makes 4 on the day. 4 on the day. Hey, how many you got?
I got nothing.
He got nothing. But he put me up here where he quit digging yesterday. And I got a few.
I got
4.
tired of carrying him out of here.
He got tired of carrying them out of here, so he gave me this spot. Let me clean up the little ones. I got one nice one. It's a big area. This is a spot he was working yesterday, and well, I came in here and got some little ones that he missed, so it is what it is. Okay, I got another target here. When they're on the surface, those little ones don't thrill me much, but when they're down a couple inches, they make me happy. And I'm guessing this is going to be another little piece of gold. It's hard for the BBs to get down this deep. Moved it right here, but I have found BBs down here this deep, so. That sounded nice. Staying in the spoon like I like. Oh, you. That one was a BB. Yep. BB.
Alright, I don't feel so bad now.
Well, it's time to go back to hang out in camp with Tampy. Well, it's time to go back and hang out with Tammy and watch a little football and who knows what else. But I did pretty good today. Got 4. And there they are. 4 nice little nuggets. Yep, they may be small, but they add up fast. And I was hunting on a spot in an area I know already that I haven't hunted before, which also leads me to believe a whole lot of other spots right in here that have the same material are going to produce just as well. So anyway, I'm headed back to camp. Like, subscribe, ring that bell, and I'll keep on showing you how to hunt gold. Nugget shooter out.